I think we should be able to learn to play our scale in G. We have our G major scale, and what is the F sharp? The F sharp is a T. Let's see if we see it. Do you see where the T is way at the end? And I see the F sharp on it. I love it. Okay, let's start with just our right hand on this one. Start with our do. Here we go. Do, re, mi, pop. Fa, so, la. T's next. So it's going to be sharp. And then end on do. Did you play the F sharp? Did you play it with your forefinger? Let's start on our do and let's come back down our scale. We'll start with our do, back to our T. It's right away. Keep coming. La, so, fa, pop to mi. Finish it out. Re, do. Did you make it back to G? I love that we have our F sharp at the very top of our scale. Should we play it with our left hand? Okay, we're going to start with our do. Here we go. Do, re, mi, fa, so. Pop with our 3. La. And here's our T. T, do. Did you play the T with your 2 finger? Let's start on our do and let's come back down to T. And then it's going to be a stretch to get to the la. And now pop. So keep coming. Fa. Finish it out. Mi, re, do. Yes, I love it.